Hi, welcome to your channel KK Art Universe. Today we're gonna make trending light box or shadow box. Let's go. Paper, cardboard box, sketch pen, cutter, scale, pencil and rubber. First take a paper, then draw 1 point perspective room. 1 point perspective room is nothing but how you view from one corner of the room. I'm sketching a hall. So I'm starting from ceiling and then three corners. So in one corner I'm just sketching a window, another corner larger window. Now I'm sketching a screen, smaller window here, and then TV stand. You can use scale for a correct exact measurement. Or you can make an outline with pencil. And a stand. Now I'm sketching floor. Teepa and carpet. And a small flower vase. And then small light. And then sofa. And then big window. Now cut light source areas like window, small window, large window and a TV stand. Cut this part. Now cut it. And then take another copy like this. And then a black chart. Again cut light source areas. Same small window, large window and TV stand. And then reflection area also. Place all three paper together. Take a paper and cover light source areas. I sketched scenery, grass and Netflix. Stick all paper using fevistick and then take a cardboard box, cut like a frame and then paint any color. I'm using brown. Now I'm taking a mini light with battery, then paste it with sellotape. On and off. Now place paper inside cardboard box and then switch on light on and off. Now shadow box or light box is ready. You can try using a natural light also. Thank you for watching KK Art Universe. Do like, share and subscribe. Follow me for regular artwork.